Jordan brand is embracing fun, seasonal storytelling with the Jordan Trunner OS Candy Hearts, a Valentine's Day 2026 release inspired by Y2K-era runners and classic holiday candy. This pair steps outside the traditional Air Jordan line, pulling from early 2000s cross-training aesthetics instead. The shoe features a breathable mesh upper, soft suede overlays on the forefoot, eyestays, and heel, plus the signature sculpted midfoot cage that adds both stability and a bold look. For the Valentine's theme, Jordan brand uses a pastel-heavy colorway, combining pink mesh with powder blue cage details, mint green lace eyelets, and light gray suede accents. The holiday concept continues through the packaging and insoles, which feature heart-shaped candy graphics and playful phrases that enhance the theme without overdoing it. Underfoot, a sculpted foam midsole provides everyday comfort, while icy blue hits on the outsole add contrast. The release is currently confirmed in kids sizing, but adult pairs may follow closer to February 2026 via Nike.com and select retailers.